rise through the night. Posters curl on the cold brick, names get lost in the light. Steel birds hum above us, tracing scars in the air. Every shadow looks sharper, every breath is a dare. I hear the call in the dark of the night, like a flare in my mind, like a warning sign. Fear in my lungs, but I won't close my eyes. When the ground starts to shake, when the flame starts to shatter, keys sleep under the mat. Father counts in a whisper, map spread out on his lap. We mark safe on the table, breadcrumbs all dried ink. Try to laugh at the thunder, but our voices all sing. I hear the call in the dark of the night, like a flare in my mind, like a warning sign. Fear in my lungs, but I won't close my eyes. When the ground starts to shake, when the flame starts to rise. Smoke draws crowns on the ceiling, dust paints stars in the air. Every crack in the plaster spells out, stay, don't you dare.